Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks while he is busy at his grandparents' house. So, anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses most of North Dakota, most of South Dakota, west central Minnesota, and north central Nebraska. Cities into our slate include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, and Moorhead, Minnesota. And we have 3 marginals tomorrow, one encompassing western and northeastern North Dakota, extreme southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern Wyoming, western and southeastern South Dakota, parts of North Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, far northwestern Iowa, and parts of Minnesota. Our second marginal tomorrow covers eastern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. And the third marginal tomorrow covers extreme southwestern New York State, western Pennsylvania, extreme eastern Ohio, far western part of the Panhandle of Maryland, parts of West Virginia, much of Virginia, southern and southeastern Kentucky, eastern half of Tennessee, western half of North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, much of Georgia, most of Florida, much of Alabama, southern Mississippi, and southeastern Louisiana. Cities into our marginals include Detroit, Michigan, Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses south central North Dakota and central South Dakota. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Bismarck, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Huron, South Dakota. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses much of North Dakota, most of South Dakota, north central Nebraska, and west central Minnesota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, and Moorhead, Minnesota. And there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One encompassing western and northeastern North Dakota, western and southeastern South Dakota, far southeastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, northwestern Iowa, and western Minnesota. Our second 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses eastern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. And the third 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses far eastern Ohio, extreme southwestern New York, western Pennsylvania, the western part of the Panhandle of Maryland, parts of West Virginia, western half of Virginia, southern and southeastern Kentucky, eastern half of Tennessee, western half of North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, most of Georgia, most of Florida, much of Alabama, southern Mississippi, and southeastern Louisiana. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses parts of central North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, and north central Nebraska. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Watertown, South Dakota, and Mandan, North Dakota. And there is if you look at the black dashed area is where we have, really? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Bismarck, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Pierre, South Dakota. Again, black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses western and eastern North Dakota, eastern and western South Dakota, extreme southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, northwestern Iowa, and western Minnesota. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, and Moorhead, Minnesota. So, in summary, scattered strong thunderstorms and perhaps 1 or 2 small organizing clusters may impact parts of the northern Great Plains late Friday afternoon into Friday night, accompanied by a risk for severe hail and wind. So, that's the Day 2 Outlook show, and once again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks while he's at his grandparents. He's busy at his grandparents right now, so anyway, that's all I got for today. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather, and I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.